everyone, and welcome back to our friendly little English podcast. Today, we have Daniel with us again. Hi, Daniel.
Hi, me. Hi, everyone. I'm ready to speak, even if my English sounds like a baby penguin trying to walk.
A baby penguin still moves forward, so that's perfect for today's topic, English conversation for motivation. We're going to talk about staying motivated, practicing English, and keeping a good mindset.
Good. I need motivation. Yesterday, I tried to study English, but then I saw a cookie and suddenly studying was not important anymore.
That's a classic problem. Cookies are dangerous. Anyway, let's start slowly so everyone listening can follow. Today, we speak with simple A1 to B1 English. Very clear, friendly, with some small jokes.
So, like normal, but with fewer cookies.
Exactly. Now, let's begin our conversation. Everyone listening, relax, enjoy the talk, and let the English flow.
So, Daniel, tell me, when you think about learning English, what is the first feeling you have?
Honestly, sometimes I feel excited because English helps me watch movies without subtitles. But sometimes I feel tired, like English is this big mountain that never ends.
Many learners feel exactly the same. Learning a language is a long journey, not a quick trip. But motivation is what helps you keep walking.
True, but motivation sometimes disappears. One day I feel strong, like, yes, I will study 2 hours. And the next day I think, maybe I should sleep instead.
Sleep is also important, but language learning needs a little bit of consistency. Not perfect consistency, just small steps. And most importantly, you need a reason.
A reason?
Yes. Why do you want to learn English?
Let me think. One reason is travel. When I travel, English helps me talk to people from different countries.
Good reason.
Another reason is work. Many jobs need English, even in my country. But also, I want to understand song lyrics.
Understandable, though sometimes song lyrics make no sense in any language.
That's true. Last week, I listened to a song with the line, "My heart is a yellow car." I still don't know what that means.
Maybe the singer is as confused as we are. But you see, you already have several reasons. Travel, work, music. When you remember those, staying motivated becomes easier.
Yes, but how do I remember them when I feel lazy?
Good question. You can write them somewhere, on a paper, on your phone, on your mirror, anywhere you will see them often. Every time you read the reasons, it's like a small push.
A push is good, not too strong though. I don't want to fall.
Don't worry, it's a gentle push, like someone saying, "You can do it, Daniel."
That's nice.
Let's talk about fun. Many people forget that learning English can actually be fun.
Really? You mean it's not just grammar books and long vocabulary lists?
Absolutely not. Those can help, but learning works better when you enjoy it. Think about activities you like.
I like movies.
Great, watch movies in English.
I like video games.
Many games have English dialogue or subtitles.
I like food.
Okay, I'm not sure how that helps with English unless you read recipes in English.
I can try. Step 1. Do not burn your kitchen.
Good advice. My point is, when English becomes part of something you enjoy, motivation grows naturally.
Yes, when I watch movies in English, I don't feel like studying. I feel like relaxing.
Exactly, and you still learn. Even if you understand only a little, it's progress.
Another great way to stay motivated is conversation. Humans are social. We like to talk.
True. I talk a lot. Sometimes people tell me I talk too much.
Podcast listeners are lucky then. But in learning English, talking with someone makes everything feel more real.
Yes, when I speak English, even simple sentences, I feel proud.
That's motivation too. A good conversation gives energy. It makes you think, I want to speak again tomorrow.
That's how I feel now, actually.
Perfect. That means you're learning. Let's talk about goals. Some learners say, I want to be fluent, but they don't know what steps to take.
Fluency sounds big.
Exactly. Too big. Instead, try small goals. For example, learn 5 new words today, or watch one short video in English.
Or say hi to one English speaker?
Yes, tiny goals, easy goals. They build confidence.
And after many tiny goals, I reach a bigger goal.
Right, like building a house with small bricks. One brick doesn't look like much, but many bricks make a home.
Or a castle?
Yes, if you want to be dramatic.
I do.
Now, this is important. Mistakes.
I don't like mistakes.
No one likes mistakes, but they help you learn. Think of a baby learning to walk.
They fall a lot?
Exactly, but they keep trying. Adults sometimes forget this. They want to be perfect immediately.
That's me. When I say something wrong in English, I feel embarrassed.
That feeling is normal, but instead of stopping, you should think, good, I just learned something. Mistakes are signs of progress, not failure.
So every time I make a mistake, I should feel happy?
Maybe not happy, but at least not sad. Just continue. That's motivation too.
I'll try. I will proudly make mistakes.
Not too many, but yes, keep practicing.
Let's talk about routine. You don't need to study for 3 hours every day. That's too much. But you can study 10 or 15 minutes.
That sounds possible.
Short daily practice works well. It creates a habit, and habits give stability. You don't think too much, you just do it.
Like brushing teeth.
Exactly, but hopefully more fun. Tell me honestly, Daniel, what makes you lose motivation the most?
Sometimes I listen to native speakers and they talk so fast. I understand nothing. It feels like someone pressed the fast forward button.
That happens to every learner. Native speakers use natural speed and slang, but the more you listen, the more you understand.
It's like training my ears.
Yes, even if it feels hopeless at first, your brain is learning in the background.
Good. I thought my brain was sleeping.
Your brain is awake, don't worry.
Another problem is vocabulary. I learn new words, but then I forget them quickly.
That's normal. Everyone forgets new words. The solution is repetition and using the words in real sentences.
So I should use them when I talk to people?
Or write sentences, or speak to yourself, or even talk to your dog.
My dog will judge me.
I'm sure your dog is supportive. Another idea is tracking progress.
Like a game?
Yes, you can make a simple notebook where you write what you studied each day, or use an app. When you look back and see many days of practice, it feels good.
I like that. It's like seeing my hard work.
Exactly, and that feeling gives motivation to continue. Mindset is important too. Many learners think, I'm bad at English, or I will never improve. Those thoughts stop your progress.
I have those thoughts sometimes.
Everyone does, but you can change them. Instead of I'm bad, say I'm learning. Instead of I can't, say I can try.
That sounds simple.
Simple but powerful. Your thoughts affect your actions.
So if I think positively, I study more?
I can try. Step 1, do not burn your kitchen.
Good advice. My point is, when English becomes part of something you enjoy, motivation grows naturally.
Yes, when I watch movies in English, I don't feel like studying. I feel like relaxing.
Exactly. And you still learn. Even if you understand only a little, it's progress.
Yes, motivation grows from positivity.
Having a learning community also helps. Friends, classmates, online groups.
I sometimes study alone and feel bored.
Studying with others makes it more fun. You can share experiences, ask questions, and help each other.
And maybe complain about English together?
Yes, complaining together builds friendship.
Me, I think curiosity helps me too. When I want to know something in English, I try harder.
Very true. Curiosity is natural motivation. If something interests you in English, explore it. Videos, books, podcasts.
Like this podcast?
Exactly. Curiosity keeps your brain active. Your environment matters too. You can put English into your daily life.
How?
Change your phone's language to English. Follow English-speaking creators. Listen to music in English. Little things.
That sounds easy and scary.
Scary at first, but helpful.
You know, when I started learning English, I thought it was only about grammar, but now I see it's also about mindset, habits, fun, and small goals.
Exactly. Language learning is more than rules. It's connection and communication.
And cookies.
If that motivates you, then yes. Here's something important. Always remember your big why, the biggest reason you want English in your life. When motivation is low, think about that reason.
My big why. I think it's connection. I want to talk to more people, understand different cultures, make new friends.
That's a beautiful reason, and with that reason, you will continue learning. Before we finish, let's do a short review for our listeners.
Good idea.
Today, we talked about motivation in English learning. We said that you need clear reasons for learning, make learning fun with movies, games, music, talk to others to stay motivated, create small goals and follow them, accept mistakes as part of learning, build a simple daily routine, track your progress, keep a positive mindset, study with friends or communities, stay curious, put English into your environment.
And eat cookies.
Optional, but yes.
I feel more motivated already.
I'm happy to hear that. And for everyone listening, keep practicing, keep going, and remember that every small step in English matters. Thank you for joining us today.
See you next time.
Bye.